What if I told you your entire future is being decided by things so small you barely even notice them? Not big decisions, not luck, not talent, just tiny daily choices. That seemed completely harmless today. But a year from now, those tiny choices decide who you become. This is the power of the slight edge. Most people think success comes from huge breakthroughs. But Jeff Olson shows us something very different. Success is built quietly, through boring, through simple, through daily. In this video, you'll learn why small actions matter more than motivation, the two invisible curves your life is always following, and how to use the slight edge starting today. By the end, you'll never look at just one day the same way again. The core principle: small actions, massive results. Imagine two people starting at the exact same place in life. Same age, same job, same opportunities. One person reads just 10 pages a day. The other scrolls social media for 10 minutes a day. After 1 week, no difference. After 1 month, still no big change. But after 1 year, one person has read multiple books, gained skills, new confidence, maybe even a promotion. The other is in the exact same place, or worse. That's the slight edge. Small actions, repeated daily, create massive differences over time. And here's the scary part: you don't feel it while it's happening. Why most people miss it. Skipping one workout feels harmless. Eating one donut feels harmless. Not reading today feels harmless. Because the consequences are delayed, your brain thinks it doesn't matter. But every small choice is actually a vote for who you're becoming. You either vote for stronger or weaker, smarter or stagnating, disciplined or distracted every single day. The two curves: success versus failure. Your life is always on one of two curves. The success curve: small good habits, walking 10 minutes, reading 10 pages, saving a few dollars, drinking more water. At first, nothing happens, but over time, the line slowly rises, then suddenly explodes upward. The failure curve: small bad habits, skipping workouts, eating junk, procrastinating, overspending. At first, still nothing happens, then slowly, your energy drops, your confidence drops, your opportunities drop. Here's the tragedy: most people quit on the success curve because they don't see results fast enough. Mindset, belief and persistence. To stay on the success curve, you only need two things: belief, trust that small actions matter; persistence, keep going when nothing seems to change. Jeff Olson explains it like bamboo. For years, bamboo grows underground. Nothing visible happens. Then suddenly, it shoots up several feet in weeks. Your habits work the same way. The penny doubling example: compounding. Here's a classic example from the book. Would you rather have $2 million today or one penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Most people pick the $2 million. But by day 30, that penny becomes over $10 million. That's the power of compounding, but only if you stay consistent. Identity and keystone habits. The slight edge doesn't just change what you do, it changes who you are. You don't just read, you become a reader. Walk daily, you become a healthy person. Save small, you become financially disciplined. Jeff Olson also talks about keystone habits. Small habits that trigger big changes. 1 glass of water every morning can lead to better food, which leads to more energy, which leads to better workouts, which leads to higher confidence. One small habit can reshape your entire life. Practical steps: how to apply the slight edge. Here's how to actually use this in real life. 1. Start tiny. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for 10 pages, 10 minutes, $1 saved. One small action. 2. Track it. Use a calendar, check it off daily. Streaks create momentum. 3. Trust the process. Results will feel invisible at first. That doesn't mean it's not working. 4. Find your environment. Surround yourself with people who move forward. Their habits will pull you up. 5. Embrace the mundane. Success isn't exciting. It's boring. It's quiet. And that's why it works. Personal story, emotional connection. Let me share something personal. A few years ago, I wanted to fix my finances, but I felt overwhelmed. So instead of chasing big money, I started saving just $5 a week. It felt stupidly small, but I tracked it. 1 year later, I had over $250 saved. That gave me confidence. That confidence pushed me to learn about investing. That led to a side hustle. That led to real financial change, all from one tiny habit. That's the slight edge in real life. Powerful closing. Call to action. Here's the truth. Your life today is the result of your past small choices. And your future depends on what you do starting today. Every meal, every dollar, every scroll, every page, every workout. The slight edge is always working. The only question is, will it work for you or against you? Start today. Pick one small habit. Commit to it. And don't stop. Because success isn't a sprint. It's a marathon built on tiny, consistent daily steps.